Namaste, my dear Techonquer family. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to day 2 of AI journey. So, in this session, we will be looking to the 10 different types of AI, which are diagnostic AI, predictive, prescriptive, generative, reactive AI, limited memory, theory of mind, self aware, narrow AI, general AI. So, starting from diagnostic or descriptive AI. So, what is this diagnostic? Means this AI, this particular AI model is used to understand what has actually happened or why it had happened, as well as how it had happened, to analyze what, why, and how we will be using this descriptive or diagnostic AI. So this particular AI model uses the historical data, right, to analyze and give us the information about what has actually happened. It's all about looking back to gain insights. So this AI model capabilities are pattern recognition to spot trends, comparative analysis for performance benchmarking, root cause analysis for problem identifications. So forget all these capabilities. Let me give you a real time examples. So you may have heard about the business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, etc. Right? So these tools are mainly used for data visualization as well as data analysis. So there, this descriptive or diagnostic AI model is used to analyze the trends based on the historical data. So, got it? Next type is predictive AI. As the name suggests, the prediction is a concept. It predicts based on the past as well as the present records or the data to predict the future. So, the capabilities are forecasting, classification, propensity modeling. Forecasting, in the forecasting, whenever in a news channels and a newspaper, there would be the predictions or forecasting of the stock prices, commodities like oil, petrols, etc. Right? So there we will be using the predictive AI for the efficient insights, to gain efficient insights. Next, classifications. For example, if the received mail is spam or it is not a spam. Next, this propensity modeling means it is predicting the likelihood of a customer taking a specific actions. Let me give you a small example for this. So, for example, the customer had purchased a Netflix subscription for maybe 1 month, okay, but he didn't open that application or watched anything in 20 days. So I can predict that the customer may not, or the viewer is not interested in watching a movies in my platform, or else he don't have any time to watch, so he may leave the Netflix. So he may not continue the Netflix subscription next month. So this is the example under the propensity modeling. So I have given the another example for predictive AI model, which is you may have used the Amazon for purchase and all. So this Amazon recommendation engine works. How it suggests the products on the basis of your browsing as well as a previous purchase history. Okay, this uses the predictive AI. Next is prescriptive AI. The prescriptive AI main purpose is to recommend optimal actions to achieve desired outcomes. So, in a simple terms, let me give you keywords to differentiate the descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive AI. So, what is descriptive AI? It will analyze or explains what had happened. Okay, this predictive AI will is all about what might have happened. Okay, you are predicting what might have happened. So this prescriptive AI is all about what we should do. That's it. Please note this key points somewhere to differentiate these three AI models. This prescriptive AI goes beyond production to suggest the next best step. Okay, clear? So, the capabilities includes optimization, of course. Next, finding the best solutions like fraud preventions and logistic optimization. It defines the optimizing the delivery routes for efficiency and reducing fuel consumption and delivery times. And next best action, it guides for you the next best actions. Example is Netflix uses this prescriptive AI model to recommend the content based on your viewing history, preferences, and what is trending at present, guiding you to new shows you will love. Okay, so let me clear you one thing. If you are using uh, an AI application or any normal application, you can't predict that this application only uses this type of AI. For example, in the previous slide, I had told that Amazon recommendation engine, this example and this example, Netflix example, is somewhat similar. So why it is so? Because the every application uses the concept of hybrid. It may include two or more AI models for a better efficiency. Next is generative or cognitive AI. This Gen AI you may be heard everywhere. Gen AI, Gen AI, Gen AI. This is not a simple small concept. We will be looking to this Gen AI in a upcoming session. It may include 2 to 3 session maybe, because this is what we are presently rely on. So what is this Gen AI or generative or cognitive AI means? It creates the original content and assist the task. So for in a simple terms, let me give you one example. So this Gen AI takes the data, you can train them, and when the user wants to query this AI model, it will generate a new data. It has a capability of generating a new data and give it as a output. Okay, the best example of this Gen AI is a ChatGPT. The ChatGPT can create human-like text for articles, answer complex questions, or generate a code snippet for a software development. You can ask A to Z question, and you sometimes you also prompt the ChatGPT like giving one line answer and ask the ChatGPT to expand the one line to 10 or 100 lines. So how it does? Because of its inbuilt capabilities. So they in ChatGPT, the main AI model which we are using is a Gen AI. So I have used ChatGPT word, more than five times, like five times, right? So I had forgotten the full form of GPT. If you know, comment it. Okay, I will read when you comment. So next, reactive and limited memory AI. So what is this reactive AI? Reactive AI and narrow AI are somewhat similar because they are programmed to perform a specific task. Okay, narrow AI will look into it in the further slides. At present, this reactive AI responds to a specific input with a predefined output. It has no learning. No learning means no learning like a Gen AI. In a Gen AI, it is auto continuously learning and updating itself to provide you the new data or a new output. But here in a reactive AI, there is no learning or memory of past interactions. Okay, it will only perform the task based on a set of rules which the programmer had programmed at the beginning of the development of the reactive AI model. For example, the IBM's Deep Blue, there is a chess playing computer. It only reacts, it only plays the chess based on the set of rules, not by learning from its or or it has no capability of a learning and updating. Next, limited memory AI. So limited memory AI doesn't mean that the memory has limited memory, the AI has limited memory. It is just that it keeps on updating or keeps on taking decision based on the recent past interactions. Recent past interaction may include the interaction from the years to nanomilliseconds. Okay, the best example is self driving cars learn from recent road condition as well as traffic patterns to adjust their its speed and navigation in real time. So this data processing will happen in the nanomilliseconds. Hope you understand. This time in a self-driving cars, the main key AI model is limited memory AI model. Next is this self-aware and theory of mind AI. So this too I have kept in a single slide because it has no, at present it has not implemented yet. Okay, it is still in a research under the research stage. So but in future we may see this type of models also. So what is this self-aware AI? Self-aware AI is nothing but it possesses self-conscious emotion and self-assessment abilities. It does not include any human intervention or interaction. Okay, it will it will understand its emotions, self-awareness. It may include cognitive intelligence, emotional intelligence. Everything would be included in the self-aware AI. So next is theory of mind AI. So, in a self-aware AI, the AI understand itself. Okay, self-awareness. In the theory of mind, it can understand itself as well as it can understand the other person. Other person in a sense, he are humans. It can understand the human emotions, beliefs, intentions for a natural interactions. For example, if a person is crying in front of a robot, it It may understand that, oh, this person is crying, means he is not feeling well or he is sad. So then it tries to console them. So these are all concept comes under the theory of mind AI. So hoping to see them in our future. Okay, let's see. Next type is narrow AI or a weak AI, as we have already discussed in our previous session. This narrow AI has programmed to perform a specific task. It cannot perform a generalized task like ChatGPT and all. So, what are the main example of the narrow AI, which includes the Google Translate, facial recognition system, Siri, Alexa. You can't ask Google Translate to search a query or navigate your routes, right? So, this Google Translate is developed to perform only the translation operations. Hope you are clear with the narrow AI or weak AI. Next is general AI or a strong AI. So this is also a theoretical concept, or you can say it is also under the research. What is this general AI or strong AI means? It can learn, understands, and it can apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks similar to the human intelligence. So we are replicating the human intelligence as a robot or a AI model. So, but it is still in a theoretical and under research. But let's see, anything is possible in a AI era. So, these capabilities include human-like learning, cross-domain ability, adaptability, etc. Example for future: universal AI assistance capable of legal advice, tutoring, tutoring, tutoring means us. Okay, let's see. Tutoring and medical consultation, etc. So these are the different types of AI. Hope you guys got some information or insights from this session. Hoping to see you in the next video. Namaste.